Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of purpose by doing something that brings joy to you, that makes you happy, but at the same time, it also contributes to changing the world. That is what the power of Ikigai is. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that roughly translates into a sense of being that provides you with a purpose by which you can bring fulfillment to your own life. But before diving into the concept of Ikigai, let me introduce you all to my team. We are the team Blue Hat. Good morning, everyone. Before starting, I would like to introduce you all to my team, and my name is Suvalakshmi Swain. So, Ikigai has four basic pillars, the strongest pillars, and they stood for passion, mission, vocation, and profession. So, now I would like to request Manish to speak about his
My
passion.
passion is I enjoy traveling, exploring new places, and I am good at photography. I capture this moment through my camera. It makes me happy and alive.
Thank you, Manish. What I love the most is drawing. It fills with me with joy, calms my mind, and express. It helps to express the emotions which the words can't.
Now I will be speaking about vocation. So vocation mainly comprises of two things. What I have to give back to the world and what is that something that I'm good at. So after giving it a lot of thoughts, the most powerful skill that I have is my communication skill. I can convey my thoughts that people can relate to. I can encourage people to speak and I can give them an environment in which they can grow. So that is my part for vocation. And where expression meets empathy, that is where I shine. So now I would like to request my friend Ipshita to speak about her profession.
Thank you, Suvalakshmi, for giving that opportunity to present my profession. In our busy day life, we don't get any opportunity to find ourselves. Profession combines what is I am good at, and second one is for which skill I will be paid for. I have thought a lot that which skill I have that I will be paid for. I remember at my college days, I worked as a group leader on a team and with a team on a project. And from that I got the skill of leadership quality. I would like to first Papu to share his thought.
Thank you, Ishmita. Now, ikigai is not a fancy Japanese word. It is a mindset, or it is so that you implement your passion, profession, vocation, and mission.
Hi everyone, let's do something different. Imagine your life as a blank canvas, and if you had to paint it with what you love the most, what you are good at, and in return what you are giving to the world, what would your painting looks like? That's exactly the Ikigai concept will tell you. I am representing the Green Hat Group. The two important days of your life is the day you born and the day you find out why. And it was written by Mark Twain. And today I am going to tell about my passion. When the word passion comes, the two question arises: what you love the most and what you are good at.
Thank you, Shekhali. I find joy in the clay. This is the answer old craftsman of Japan answered to the question when the writer of Ikigai book asked him. It wasn't just a job or a skill for him, it was a part of his life. So this brings us to our first question, that what I am good at. So the craftsman, it was he was very good at his making traditional pottery of Japanese clay or their pottery. For me, it's working in electrical machines and electrical house wiring. I think I'm good at, and I'm learning day by day. The second question that we are bringing up to, that what's the skill or knowledge that I'll be paid for. So now I'll giving the floor to my friend Devi. He'll be elaborating on the next point.
Thank you, Sumanta. You give me opportunity to say something about the vocation. What is vocation? The vocation is a what to meaning of our life. In the vocation, different people have different vocation. and like that the doctor have vocation into health, and the teacher have vocation to teach the people, and the vocation depends upon the profession. My profession is to learning the different thing in the new softwares and solving the problem by the new technology, and I also a good leadership quality to for the new generation. I can believe that my leadership quality helps to the youth generation to group a new step for the future.
Devi Prasad. Myself, Mayuk Padi. I am representing our Green Hat groups, and as you listen, all these are telling about their passion, profession, and vocation. Now it comes to my side, and I am telling about my mission.
This color represent purchase, finance, accounts, as well as the procurement of raw material. We work by dealing with past, present and future data by collecting evidences, facts, as well as all the information necessary to make any decision. This color is white and we are representing Team White Hat. I remember a story of one of my close friends. So while just having a random chit chat, he shared about his present situation. He described to us that he was having a very bad day. He was completely directionless and having no scope of future. He was in completely dark. After hearing to this, one of my little less serious friend, he suggested him to use Google Maps to find a solution. Passion, mission, vocation and profession. Hello everyone, my name is Niswahu. Along with all my team, we will be giving a presentation of Ikigai. Now I would like to shift the spotlight to my friend MD Sohel.
Before I start, I want all of you to think about that one thing in your life that makes your heart feel truly full. The one thing that gives you energy even in the hardest days. That made you very clear. Good morning everyone, my name is Muhammad Sohel. You shared with the people that you love the most. Now thank you. I want my friend Roshan to give presentation on the next topic.
So hello friends, my name is Roshan. So I want to know about mission. That we know about mission, we also know that mission is inversely proportional to our goals.
Thank you, Roshan. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity I'm provided with. So our topic is Ikigai, which consists of 4 statements. What do I love? What I'm good at? What can I be paid for? Or what do I want to return to the world? I want to be paid for what I love the most. I do love the most.
Bravery is not just the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome. I have a deep desire to join defense field. I'm inspired by their courage, discipline and the commitment they show.
I remember the days where I was standing for the first time on the stage. Yes, my hand, my legs are shivering. I am full of nervous. But I have faced this and I will overcome from this. So today I am quite bit of confident in front of you to speak something. So what I did is fear, which is stage fear. So E for eliminate. So I will eliminate this E, then the fear will be far away from me. So, respected my mentors and my dear friends, imagine you are about to climb a mountain. You are full of excitement. The sky is clear, the air is fresh. But do you check the map? Do you check the weather? So, welcome to the world of black hats. My name is Bhumish Boy. Find out the purpose of our individuality. It consists of 4 different questions. First one is passion, mission, vocation and profession. So I am going to tell about my passion. Passion is also consists of 2 different questions. First one is what I like the most in my life. Professionally, yes, I am keen to learn new things and implement it in a different project which is helpful for the society, for the people. So I am very passionate about that. Now I will pass the floor to my friend Bandana to share her thoughts.
I believe some effort bring positive.
Vocation is the combination of 2 things, that is one of the why you paid for and what quality you have good at.
and what you want to return to the world?
I myself Arpita Shah and I am going to give a presentation on profession, on Ikigai. So if someone asks me what I do or what I am being paid for, I simply say I am an electrical engineer. But that simple term, that simple title doesn't define what I am actually capable of. Being an electrical engineer doesn't only happens by knowing Ohm's law. It means much more than that. As an electrical engineer, I am good at problem solving. So and circuit designing, I can just simply simplify the complex designing and find where the problem is and cure it. With that, I will like to conclude our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
So good morning everyone and my dear tele friends and mentors. I am Bossa Susrita Gowda from DT of Aditya Villa Hindalco. I am very lucky to share my thoughts over you because of my mentors Mr. Dev sir and Giri sir. So I'm thought why I'm here, what is the purpose of life. So Ikigai is a meaningful and very peaceful thought of Japanese thought.
Thank you, Varsha. Good morning, everyone. I am Silu Pradhan. So today I am here to speak about passion on Ikigai. So as we all know, passion is the combination of two questions, and the two questions are: what is the thing I love the most in my life, and the second question is what is that I am very good at. So for me, my passion is playing badminton. I love playing badminton, and I think I am also good at playing. Because of this passion, I win the state level badminton competition in 2025 qualification.
To get a chance, opportunity to share it myself.
Have you ever wondered what you can do rather than what you wanted to do rather than what you can do? A doctor who serves his patient or a teacher who teaches their student, they are not just motivated by money.
Like I would be a swimmer teacher or engineer, like electrical engineer. That will help to me as a profession or earn some
One
money.
in common all of us, that is success, and it comes from hard work, never giving up. Success does not depend upon overnight. It's depend upon hard work, commitment, never giving up.
Every day, and I am good at puzzle solving and playing cricket and time management. So overall, my lesson is I can do everything at sufficient time.
Question is arise in my mind, that is what is that I am good in. The things I would like to do in my life, that is
There is my vocation is to I will paid for kabaddi, and I was a better coach in bonus point, and there is I love teaching and electrical technician who's
I remember what my papa used to say past, like kiddo when I was kid. I learned that he used to drawing very flawless, like he act like he was just put his brush or like something and the drawing was fabulous. So I learned that the skill what I have got from my parents, like from papa. So I think that the main point which I am adding in my skill is that if I paid, that is for my painting, or I draw a flawless, or I can say a good sketch in with a pen, adding a blank page, something, a color that put life on it. So that's my skill if I paid for. Thank you.
Thank you.